Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the titanium foam or titanium foam implant in dental applications. In interaction with mandible bone contain two sections, cancellous and the cortical bone, and we define them separately with material. You can see here, this is the stress distribution under the dynamic load in three directions, x, y, and zeta. So click on the animate, and now you can see here the stress propagation in the titanium foam, the abutment or root of the implant. And you can see here that. So if you want, you can use limit, for instance, 2 for this, and we'll remove the implant and see the bone here. This is the bone. Here is a cancellous bone, and here is a cortical bone. So you can achieve the results which you want, any results. And if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abacusfm.com. In our website, find the English article or title about this simulation, or search the title in this block here, and then you will find this. Click on the title or blue sign, that is continue. So now you will have a short explanation about the process and simulation, geometry, and the process of the material model, and then the results as a figure here. You can see them, and at the end there are three important points. The file contains a CAE, INP, and English video file. Step by step, and the cost is $34 US. If you have bitcoins, you can pay it with that. If you haven't bitcoins, you can use PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.